how to schedule emails in Gmail. If you are concerned of being productive and you want to send emails ahead of time, in this video I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. If you enjoyed this video, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. In your Gmail, after composing the message that you want to send, all you have to do is to scroll down and locate this send icon. Beside it, you could see an arrow. Continue to tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear indicating schedule send. Continue to tap on it. This will give you a list of timelines that you could schedule this message to. You can also proceed to customize it by selecting date and time. Then you can continue to use this back arrow or forward arrow in order for you to select the time that you want it to be sent. In this case, I'm going to select something like 8 March. After that, you can then proceed to select the time that you want it to be posted and then continue to tap on schedule sent. So this message is now being scheduled and it will be posted on 8 March at exactly 12 o'clock. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.